Well, good evening, YouTube. This is Preston Schmidt, KD0WFZ. Just doing a quick video on my little repeater setup. As you can see right now, that is my Radiotone FDR1 that I bought from Radio Shop 888. Little business out of Hong Kong. I paid 90 to $100 for that little repeater controller. When you order this from, let's just say you're going to order it from the same place that I ordered it, they'll ask you to specify what kind of cables to send with it, whether it be for a Baofeng or a Waxen or a Linko, you name it, ICOM. I have two Yaesu radios that is hooked up to this right now, so I had to specify that I needed two Yaesu cables. As you can see, I have two for the repeater. I have two Yaesu FT250s. Right now they're set up for the transmitting frequency and receiving frequency for my ham radio club's repeater out of Norfolk, Nebraska, which is about 25 miles away from where I live right now. This one right here is the transmitting frequency, 1461300. And this one over here is the receiving frequency, 1467300. So, I didn't show you on the back though, but it does tell you on the back the receiving frequency and the transmitting frequency ports, and then the on-off switch. And for the transmitting frequency for this purpose only, I have the stock antenna that comes with the FT250s. But over here on this one, I have a different antenna hooked up to it. It is a homemade J-pole antenna, strictly cut for 2 meters. If you can't kind of see it right now, it's usually hidden because of my landlord. But as you can see right there, it's usually covered in the window, or you can only see it from the outside, and the landlord really can't see it on the outside. So that is what I use. I built that by myself, and didn't cost me little to nothing. There's videos out there on how to make a J-pole, so I'm not going to bore you with the details about that. So, and then right here in the middle, for testing purposes, this is my dual band Yaesu FT60R. It's set up to our receiving frequency for my ham radio club's repeater. I'm not using the stock antenna that came with this radio. I'm using a Comet dual band HT antenna that I bought from Amazon. I get good distance with it. I can get out better with it rather than that stock rubber ducky that comes with this particular radio. Now, what else can I say about my equipment here? Oh, the Yaesu 250s are 2-meter radios only. They are not a dual band like my Yaesu I just showed you. So, when the Radiotone is ready to go, as you can see right now, it's kind of flashing green. And right now, this whole setup is set up for simplex. I am working on a duplexer right now. That'll come in another video sometime, and then I'll gladly show that to you guys. But as you can see right now, I am going to hit the transmit button on my Yaesu FT60, and you'll see a green light on the transmitting one. And then I'll pan the camera over, and you should see a green light on the receiving radio. If all goes according to plan, it should work out. And because of this little setup, you'll hear a little bit of white noise coming through the one radio, but that's better than what I usually don't get when sitting in this little area. If I'm just using this antenna or even the rubber duck. So this helps me out a lot for getting a signal. So, well, let's try this right now. I'm gonna tone it.
W0OFK repeater temperature is 68 degrees.
I don't know if you heard it in the background, but that was my repeater talking back saying that I got in, so I was getting good distance. Well, with that in mind, I guess this is all I can do for a test. Sorry, this is my very first video doing this, so I probably stuttered a lot and took too much more time than what you're used to. So yeah, don't criticize me too much on it. Give me a little bit of a break. So with that in mind, I will say 73s for now. This is KD0WFZ. I will, before I end here, I will put the website for the Radiotone controller. I will put that website in the comment section below. And I guess I will just, well, I guess you guys are just going to have to wait for my next video when I get the duplexer. So, until then, 73s, this is KD0WFZ. Clear.